Hi, today we're going to be reviewing the HotelSpa High Power 7-setting shower head. Here's the shower head itself, and in the box there's a quick connect adapter if you want to use that or not. That's up to you. Also there's this little black piece, that's the let me get that out. And that's the water restrictor. We took it out here because this pressure is not too good over here. So in the instructions it says if your water pressure is not that high, to take this out. It gives you instructions on how to take it out. So we went ahead and did that. So what I'm going to do is I already loosened this up already. I'm going to take this one out. And put the new one in. You may need to use some of the that Teflon plumber's tape. We're going to try without it first. Okay, I'm going to aim that down, turn the water on. Okay. It does have different settings on it. High power, that's less. Yeah, see, I've got, as it comes leaking down here, I'm going to put some of that tape on there. So, but anyway, it's a big improvement over what he had. So, just wanted to show you guys how it is installed, and it does work. So, like I said, I got to put some of that Teflon tape there. But anyway, if this video has helped you, please click on the yes below. Thanks.